Cockroaches are one of the most hated pests in the world. They will invade your home and make it their own. They can carry diseases that can be transmitted to humans. Fortunately, there is a great solution for killing them, using borax to kill roaches. Borax is a natural mineral powder that's often found in various household items such as cleaning solutions and laundry detergent, and is often used in pest management. Although borax and boric acid are not the same, they are equally effective on roaches, bedbugs, silverfish, and other pests. Borax is considered a safer option compared to a lot of harsh pesticides on the market. But even this ingredient needs to be used according to instructions and kept away from pets and children. It might be natural and relatively harmless, but it's dangerous if ingested or inhaled. So keep that in mind while getting rid of roaches. Here are a couple of suggestions for borax mixtures that provide the best results. Borax and sugar. Mixing borax and sugar is one of the easiest and fastest ways to create a powerful lure that will kill roaches in your home. Simply add equal parts of sugar and borax to a container and sprinkle in infested areas. For easier and more precise application, you can use powder dusters with long nozzles and sprinkle the deadly mixture that way. The roaches will be attracted to sugar and eat the borax mixed in, resulting in easy and fast pest management. Baking soda and borax. A lot of people use baking soda and borax together to fight the roaches more efficiently. And the truth is, it's working, but the ingredients could work separately also. Baking soda might potentially kill more roaches, but the lures with borax in it are far more effective.